Hi, my name is Elīna Girne. I'm Chief Legal Officer of Squalio Group. Today we are going to talk about General Data Protection Regulation, or called also GDPR. It can be split into two parts. One is legal processes, the other one is IT solutions. Today I'm going to tell you how to comply with new requirements to be safe on legal side. GDPR is all about personal data, nothing new, but today emphasis is increased on rights of individuals. Either you're a small business or a large business, no matter what you do, you always operate with personal data of individuals. GDPR is a live event of last 20 years. It applies on the companies operating in the European Union. However, irrespective of whether the data are processed in the EU or outside the EU. What exactly includes data processing? It includes collection of the data, correction of them, deletion or forwarding. Last but not least, it includes also forwarding of the data to countries outside the European Union. Emphasis by GDPR is put on the rights of individuals to know how the data they have submitted are used, where stored, how safeguarded, to whom shared, where and for what purpose and how long processed. No data should be processed for longer than the actual need is. Individuals have also rights to apply control over the data. They have rights to disagree with the use. They have rights to check whether the data are up to date. They have rights to claim deletion of their data. And last but not least, they have rights to be forgotten with no trace in the universe. For a company to be compliant with GDPR, it is therefore important to introduce a regulation on data processing in the company and introduce the employees with this order. To issue authorizations to employees, indicating the data they have to process, for what purpose, to what extent, and how, to grant and cancel access rights, and keep the record of trace of processing the data, to be able to check what has happened afterwards. To obtain consent of individual data subject in all cases where the processing of data is not resulting from the obligations the company has according to law. In all agreements with cooperation partners, to include terms and conditions on processing of data transferred to such partners and liability of the partner if the processing is not compliant with law. To be ready to respond to requests of data subject regarding processing of their data. They might have different questions. Therefore, be ready to share with them the information and documents evidencing processing of their data. However, do not forget about rights of other individuals. The time is now. GDPR comes into effect on May 25th, 2018. So this is the right time to start preparing for compliance. For more information and document download which you might find use of, visit jadr.com.